Bismillah. Life is not always easy. Sometimes it feels like darkness surrounds you, like every step you take leads to more challenges, more confusion, more pain. You may feel alone, but you are never truly alone. Allah is closer to you than your own heart. He sees your struggles, He knows your tears, and He hears your whispers even when no one else does. There are moments when life tests you in ways you never expected. Maybe you have lost someone you love, maybe your health is failing, maybe your efforts are not bringing the results you hoped for. These moments are heavy, but they are also opportunities. They are opportunities to turn to Allah, to strengthen your faith, to rise above despair. Remember the prophets. They faced hardship greater than anything we can imagine. Prophet Yunus was swallowed by a whale, Prophet Musa faced oppression from his own people, and Prophet Muhammad endured ridicule, loss, and pain throughout his life. Yet they never lost hope, they never stopped trusting in Allah. If they could hold on to faith through such trials, so can you. When darkness surrounds you, turn to Allah, speak to Him openly, sincerely, and with humility. Say, Allah, I put my trust in you. Guide me, protect me, and bring me through this. Do not underestimate the power of a sincere heart. Even a simple prayer can open doors that you cannot see. Trust in Allah does not mean sitting idle. It means taking action while knowing that the results are in His hands. Work sincerely, do your best, and leave the outcomes to Him. This is tawakkul. Your effort matters, but Allah's plan is greater than your understanding. Even in hardship, look for the blessings around you. Every small moment of gratitude strengthens the heart. Remember the times you overcame difficulties in the past. Allah was with you then and He is with you now. Do not let fear or despair take over your heart. Darkness is never permanent. Just as night turns into day, your difficulties will give way to ease. Every trial is temporary, every hardship comes with relief. Hold on to patience, trust in Allah, make sincere prayers, and know that He is always near. Your struggles are not wasted. Every tear, every effort, every moment of patience is seen by Allah. They purify you, strengthen you, and bring you closer to Him. Keep your heart firm, your mind focused, and your spirit trusting. Even if the world turns away, even if no one understands, Allah understands. He knows your pain, your worries, your fears. Place your trust in Him, and He will guide you through the darkness. Remember, the darkest night is always followed by the morning light. Breathe deeply and hold on to faith. Sabr, trust, and prayer are your anchors. Your heart is stronger than you think, and Allah's mercy is wider than any trial. Do not give up. Keep moving, keep praying, and keep trusting. Relief is coming, and Allah's plan is perfect, even if you cannot see it yet. Sometimes life breaks your heart in ways you cannot describe. You lose someone, you fail at something you worked for, or your own expectations are crushed. These moments are heavy, and it is natural to feel sorrow. But know this, every trial is a message from Allah. Every difficulty carries a hidden wisdom. Even when you cannot see it, Allah is shaping you, guiding you, and preparing you for something better. Do not run from pain. Do not avoid hardship. Face it with faith. Let your heart say, Oh Allah, I trust you. I surrender to your plan. I know you are with me. When you do this sincerely, a calmness enters your heart. The weight becomes lighter. The path becomes clearer. You begin to see opportunities that were hidden before. Fear is a companion in darkness. Fear of failure, fear of loss, fear of uncertainty. But fear does not have to control you. Turn it into a reminder to rely on Allah. Let fear bring you closer, not push you away. Take action, but leave the outcome to Him. This is faith in its truest form. Even small steps matter. Pray a little more, give charity, help someone quietly, smile despite hardship. These small acts of obedience and kindness have a weight in front of Allah. They bring relief to your heart and open doors you cannot imagine. Do not compare your journey with others. Each person has a trial that is unique. Focus on your own path, your own connection with Allah. Keep your intentions pure, and He will guide you. The difficulties you face today will become stories of strength tomorrow. Life is temporary, but the lessons you gain are eternal. Sabr, patience, and trust in Allah are treasures that no one can take away. Hold on to them, and you will never truly be lost, no matter how dark the night feels. When you feel hopeless, remember that Allah has never abandoned anyone. Even in moments when you feel invisible, He is watching, He is listening, and He is protecting you. You may not understand why you face certain trials, but understand this: every test is a form of love, a chance to grow, and a way to purify your heart. Difficulties are not punishments, they are opportunities to strengthen faith. They are invitations to turn back to Allah, to reconnect, and to realize that true peace comes only from Him. No wealth, no people, no success can replace the calm that comes from trusting Allah completely. Do not be afraid to cry, to express your pain, to speak honestly to Allah. Your tears are not wasted, they are prayers in another form. Allah sees them, cherishes them, and rewards them. Even in darkness, you can find light. The Prophet said that after difficulty comes ease. If you are patient, if you maintain trust, if you continue to pray, relief is guaranteed. It may not come immediately, but it will come. Do not despair. Do not lose hope. Sometimes the answers you seek are not what you expect. Allah knows best. What you think is a failure may be a protection. What you fear may be a blessing in disguise. Keep your heart open, your faith strong, and your trust unshaken. Life may bring betrayal, loss, or disappointment. People may hurt you, situations may turn against you, and your plans may fail. But remember, Allah is the best of planners. He will never leave you helpless. Even when everything seems to collapse, He can rebuild your life in ways you never imagined. Focus on what you can control: your actions, your intentions, your prayers. Leave the results to Allah. This is the essence of tawakkul. When you do this, your heart becomes unshakable. Your peace is not dependent on circumstances, but on trust in the one who controls all things. Surround yourself with goodness. Help others, speak kindly, forgive, and maintain gratitude. Even small acts of obedience and kindness can bring immense relief to your soul. Allah rewards every effort, every prayer, and every moment of sincerity. Remember, patience does not mean weakness. Patience is strength. Patience is courage. Patience is the anchor that holds you steady in the storm. Keep moving forward, keep praying, keep trusting, and Allah will guide you out of the darkness. No matter how heavy your heart feels, no matter how deep the darkness seems, relief is coming. Allah is with you. You are not alone. Every trial, every difficulty, every moment of struggle is shaping you, preparing you, and elevating you. Do not let despair take root. Do not let fear control your mind. Focus on sabr, maintain trust, make sincere dua, and act with intention. Small steps taken with faith can lead to great transformations. Your life is precious, your heart is precious, and your connection with Allah is your greatest treasure. Hold on to it, nurture it, and protect it. Even if today feels unbearable, remember that darkness is temporary. Morning always comes. Relief always comes. Light always follows the night. Keep your heart firm, your faith strong, and your eyes fixed on Allah. Trust Him completely, for He is the most merciful, the most wise, the best of planners. Your journey may be difficult, but it is also meaningful, purposeful, and guided by Him. Hold on, keep praying, keep striving, and never give up. Allah is with you always.